Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I have something special with me here today. Well, come on over. Just kidding. I gotta go get it. But from my quick 5-minute research on the interwebs, I have concluded that this might be the world's biggest gaming monitor. The Samsung Odyssey ARK 2. Hear me out. I know Samsung has a 57-inch Odyssey G9 ultra-wide gaming monitor. Now that's an ultra-wide gaming monitor. Now this right here is actually, Samsung doesn't even call this a gaming monitor. They call this a gaming screen. So it's got 55-inch of screen real estate. And I'm just gonna stop talking. Let's just go ahead and unbox this. I've been really looking forward to testing this monitor out. That's a serious curve right here. It's a massive box. Wow. It's got a 1000R curve. Let me just keep unboxing. Yo, this is so heavy. Woo. It's got so much curve that it can literally stand up straight by itself. This table was a little too small to set this up. I'm going to have to do this on the floor, but wow. Kind of looks like a portal. This is a wall mount. I don't even need this. So, put this up like so. So I'm looking at the instructions and I was actually supposed to have those styrofoam things still on it. It's telling me to screw this screw in. I'm trying to screw it in, but it's not screwing in. Not even able to install it with this thing poking out right here. The groove should be a little more extended, but let's try it again. Am I doing something wrong here? Let's see. On the manual, it's telling me to have it go like this, but it's not really working. For $3,000, this should not be an issue. What is that? Come on, tell me I'm doing something wrong here. definitely drive better with this screen right here. It feels more immersive, and with the higher refresh rate, I can be more agile and responsive when I'm driving. But that's with like any high refresh rate monitors, I guess. But this definitely adds a level of immersion to the game for sure, especially with the curve, and I would say a pretty very bright display as well.
Today in the Windy City on the southwest bank of Lake Michigan on an absolutely gorgeous race day afternoon. Many thanks to the mayor of Chicago for agreeing to host us today. And best of luck to our drivers as they kick off this last race of the USST season.
That was some nice, clear dialogue.
Coming up full throttle on turn 1 now, and the site of the famous 1893 Chicago World's Fair.
On-track incidents. No mistakes this time. Don't worry, just superficial damage.
Test drivers still need help with the setup, so let's see what this car can do. Push it.